Okay, friends, this is today's math work. It's very similar to what we've been doing. We have a math story. We've worked on 10 frames. We have a picture that we're going to draw. We know what a number line is and how to work with one. There's something new on this one today. It's called a number bond. Don't get scared. It's the same thing as an equation. It's another way to show an equation or an additions problem, okay? So if you take a look at these two, this circle has dotted lines and this line has dotted lines. These are the same number. You're going to put the same number in these two spots. This one has a solid circle and this one has a solid line. That means that these two are going to be the same number as well. So we have an equal sign and then what the sum is, what the addition problem is, okay, the answer. And that has a bold circle and that has a bold dark line, okay? So these are going to be the same number, these are going to be the same number, and these are going to be the same number, okay? Don't get scared with this new number bond that you see. And this is called the answer statement. We're going to find out what the answer is, what the sum is, because it's an addition problem. And we have to write a word here. So what is the story talking about? Are they talking about fish? Are they talking about hearts? Are they talking about chickens? Well, let's find out. All right, it says, read and solve the word problem to find out how many balls in all. Evan brought 2 balls to the park. Olivia C. brought 1 ball. How many balls are there in all? In all is telling us that we're adding. That's why in our equation we have a plus sign, an addition sign, okay? All right, so let's see. I'm going to give a sign, Evan's balls. It looks purple here, but it's blue. 2 balls that are Evan's, and I'm going to give Olivia 1 pink ball, okay? All right. So these are going to be helpful when I fill in my 10 frame. So I know I'm adding, but first I need to work on my 10 frame. So I'm going to color 2 of Evan's balls. So I'm coloring the first 2 squares. We always start at the top left, okay? And then I'm going to add 1 that belongs to Olivia C. Okay, and that's my 10 frame. I have a total of 1, 2, 3 balls. Awesome. Now here's my picture. So I'm going to draw 1 ball, 2 balls for Evan. You do not have to color them in, please don't worry about that. And 1 ball for Olivia. You can if you'd like. Let me make that better. But no problem if you don't, okay? So we're showing what 3 looks like in a 10 frame, what 3 balls look like in a picture, and now we're going to show what 3 looks like on a number line. So remember, we start with the first number, 2. We start at 2, then we're going to hop over 1 because Olivia brought 1 ball. 1. Oh, and that's our answer, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Awesome, we're on the right track. All right, since we've worked on an equation first before, let's do this and then I'll show you how to fill out the number bond. So we want to start with the 2 balls that Evan brought, okay? 2. Actually, let me make that blue. I will also make the number bond circle blue. And the next line, pink, because that's where we're going to put Olivia C's balls, okay? So 2 of Evan's balls plus 1 of Olivia's balls equals 3. Because 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now I'm going to show you the same equation in a number bond. So here we go. 2. There's an imaginary plus sign here. That's what the number bond is showing you, the connection with these 2 numbers. And 1 is or equals 3, okay? Now, this is also new, the answer statement. So we need to write that 2 plus 1 equals 3. But 3 what? So let's go back to our story. We're talking about how many balls. Not chickens, not hearts, not any of that. Balls. So this is the word we're going to use. B-A-L-L-S. So that's what I'm going to write. Okay? 3 and then balls. It's very important to write this word. So like when 8th graders work on word problems, if they don't have the word of what they're talking about in their word problems, the answer is wrong. They can't just say, oh, it's 3. The answer is 3. No, no, no. 3 balls. Okay, my friends? So that's what's new with our math today and the number bond. But don't be scared. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Number bond, the equation, and the answer statement. 3 balls. Okay, TK friends? All right. Thank you. Have a good one.